Come on, bud. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud. Bud. Alright, guys. So, I'm doing this on my phone. Not sure how the audio quality is going to be. This darn phone. Top of the line Samsung, and been with Verizon forever. They won't do anything. Samsung won't do anything. She'll be paid off pretty soon. I'll get a new one. But anyway, just messing around down here in the shop a little bit today. Boy, you are all excited. What's going on there, big guy? Yes, I know. I love you too. But anyway, first thought I'd show you again, just over here where the barn was. Yeah, it's all gone. It's kind of weird driving down the road like the highway out over there and stuff. Looking over here, you'd never really even know. I don't know, you just wouldn't really notice too much. But anyway, what I've been thinking, the dogs are all excited about something. It's about 33 degrees outside right now, but there's not much wind, so I thought I'd make a little video. Been thinking, that building over there, I love that building. And I think from about right there to there, if I remember right, we're about 40, I think it's about 40 by 28, something like that. And put a cement floor in there, and yeah, that'd be good, but then I'd have to build like a drop ceiling in there and get it all insulated and everything. What I've been thinking about, this building over here, this is a good building. Go inside here. I hope we can see in here. I hope there's not a skunk in here or something. Come on, open. Alright, there we go. Okay, I'm not sure how good you're going to be able to see in here. I think okay. Got two lids missing. I know there's one that got blown off and it's on the other side over there. And I think the other one's around somewhere. And I got some stuff down here. I've got the old heater out of the shops in here. Got it all wrapped up in plastic. And some hoods and tailgates and go-kart, old bumper off of my green truck, the old air compressor, some lights, the old cabinet that used to be hanging up in the old shop, the old YouTube sign that was hanging up, the whiteboard, some fuel cans, fire extinguisher, old fire extinguisher, the old valve covers off my green truck that used to hang above my workbench. But anyway, what I'm thinking, get this thing cleaned out. It's got a cement floor in it, and it's not bad. It's not a bad cement floor. It's not any worse than the one that was, well, it's not there anymore, over in the barn. Needs a little sealing up. And I don't know what it would take to insulate this, or if maybe I could use this building in the summertime and work on things. And in the wintertime, I could put my green truck in here, and I could work on things over in the other shop, that little area there. It's just not big enough to do much. Could put an overhead door in here, get this all sealed off. I got some vents up there, I guess. Probably have to seal them off somehow. I think there's three of those. One there. Yeah, one there, and then one down at the other end. Just a few little gaps. But good sized building. And there's a guy, he lives a couple miles off over that direction. Probably be pretty expensive. Thought about stopping and asking him about it. He has a spray foam insulation business. See what it would cost to insulate this. Even if I built like a wall in here, like cut half of it off or something, be nice to have the whole thing. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. You got this old auger here with I don't even know what size engine we got on this thing. I think it's a 20 horse. Yeah, I can't tell. It's old. I'm pretty sure it doesn't run anymore. Snow fans. These are all bulkheads that used to be in a Morton building over at my dad's. Put corn in that. Yeah, long story. Anyway, got them all over here. And old baler. Can't remember what kind this is. I don't think they worked very good when they were brand new. Got bud. That's a McCormick, International McCormick something. I thought there was a number on it somewhere. Yeah, if there is, I don't see it. But anyway, I don't know if anybody would be interested in buying that or not. Also, these down here, they vent out to the outside. There's fans on the outside. So these probably let in a lot of cold air. Get them sealed off somehow. I don't know. Just running through my mind that this actually wouldn't make a bad shop. Get it all sealed up, and it's already got the cement floor in it. Get it all cleaned up, and I don't know. Like I said, at least be able to use it in the summertime. And then in the wintertime, maybe I could use that little space over there in the other building. But it's a good building, good strong building. Just needs the lids put back on, which I don't even know how you do. I don't even know how you get up there. I asked my dad about that, and he's like, I don't know. I've never been up there. We used to keep corn in here. A long time ago when I was a little kid, I can remember. That's what all these are for. They kind of hold the building together. They stretch from this side all the way over to that side. And that little grain bin out there, yeah, I'll show it to you real quick here. Yeah, you can barely see it. It's back behind there. Used to be an auger that went from there up to here, and then it would dump in here. That's what these old Quonset buildings were used for around here anyway. Storing corn or grain, I suppose beans, I don't know. But anyway, just kind of a thought. What do you guys think? I don't know, maybe it'd be easier to just put a cement floor in this building. Another thing I've been thinking about is the old gas station building here. I wish it was a little bit closer to the house. Jody and I want to get an outside place to cook. It's a mess in here. I got a bunch of stuff. I don't know if I can get in here. Come on, door. Come on. There we go. These are my son's tires off of an old Avalanche he had, guys. But anyway, this is an old gas station building. I'd show you. There's some writing on the walls and stuff like that from people that came. There's some dip rods somewhere for, I think that might be one of them down there. Fuel tanks and that kind of stuff. But wouldn't be hard to heat this a little bit and like put a vent fan in it, bring the Blackstone in, and we could do some outdoor cooking, or at least I could. I think Jody's more for cooking in the house, and that's fine, but I'm more for doing the smoking thing and cooking outside. But I don't know, thinking of maybe doing something with this, venting it out. Used to have a chimney in it, which is not there anymore. And in here is all lined with metal. I'm not exactly sure why, unless maybe they used to keep some seed in here or something. Well, there's the old chimney, but it doesn't go up through the roof anymore. I'm not sure what all this writing is here. I know there's some writing over on the wall somewhere. Some people from California, like in 1940 something. I don't know. It's kind of weird. We were asking a lot of old timers. It's like a magazine rack or something, but a lot of old timers that come on, bud, let's go outside. From around here, and they just don't remember exactly where this building was or what gas station it came from. It seems like when I was a little kid, I could remember there were some gas pumps out here, but I'm not 100% sure. I thought there were some underground tanks right here. There's kind of a mound right here. When we took out the chicken house, there was a pipe coming up through the ground, so it looks like there's a underground tank probably over here somewhere. I don't know if I can find it or not. Maybe they took it out. It would have been right, yeah, it would have been right in here somewhere. Yeah, they probably knocked it out or something. Maybe it's covered with snow. But anyway, moved the old, I keep used motor oil in that, engine oil in that. Lost the cap off of it when we moved it, so, oh well, that's okay. But anyway, I don't know. That'd be a nice big building to turn into a shop. I gotta go shut that door back up, but it's either that or get a cement floor in this building and work with that. But that one's already got a cement floor in it. I don't know. I'm just rambling on here and things going through my head. So I'm gonna sign off here, guys. Hope you're having a good day, and we will catch you next time. Bye bye.